How to fix LinkedIn notifications not working. To fix the LinkedIn's notification not working error, first of all, you must verify your notification preferences inside the LinkedIn application settings. So to access the settings, you simply have to head backwards to your home screen and open your device's app gallery or app drawer and locate the LinkedIn application icon. Long press it, then tap this eye option to access the app info panel. Then head to the notifications sections and also make sure that the notifications panel is turned on. If it is turned off, you won't be getting notifications. So once you turn this feature on, all you have to do is now head backwards and launch the application once again. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, then head to the settings. From here, all you have to do is go to the notifications panel. From here, make sure to turn all these notifications on. Once you turn it on, all you have to do is now wait out until the notification is received. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.